Indonesian customers have the option of purchasing a Mazda MX-30 with an electric powertrain package. One of Mazda's new SUVs is available in a single configuration. It is possible to purchase the MX-30 with an automatic transmission, but this varies depending on the version. The MX-30 is a sport utility vehicle, SUV, that has a length of 4,395 mm, a width of 1,795 mm, and a wheelbase of 2,655 mm. Central locking, power door locks, anti-theft device, car alarm, and engine immobilizer are some of the features that are included in the list of security features that are available on the MX-30. A number of features that contribute to comfort and convenience are as follows: air conditioning, automatic climate control, air quality control, rear air conditioning, ventilation, heater, ventilated front seats, engine start-stop button, center console armrest, cup holders in the front and the back, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, front power window, rear power window, reading lights, vanity mirror, automatic headlamps, and wireless charger. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a USB socket, a Bluetooth connection, an AM/FM radio, front speakers, rear speakers, a steering wheel with multifunction buttons, and a touch screen are some of the components that comprise the entertainment and communication capabilities of the vehicle. Electric folding mirrors, outside rear view mirror turn signals, trunk opener, integrated antenna, automatic wiper, rear window wiper, rear window defogger, adjustable headlights, headlamp washer, rear spoiler, and sunroof are some of the exterior equipment that were included in this vehicle. Model safety features include anti-lock braking system, brake assist, EBD, electronic brake distribution, vehicle stability control system, door open reminder, traction control, crash sensor, driver airbag, front passenger airbag, curtain airbags, front side airbags, reminder use of seat belts, rear seat belts, front seat belts with height adjusters, child safety locks, ISOFIX child seat mounts, rear parking sensors, rear camera, 360 camera, hill start assist control, downhill assist control, side impact protection, engine check warning, tire pressure gauge, electric parking brake and speed sensing door locks.